In this video, I will show you how to add an intro video for your YouTube channel. So let's get straight into it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is open up youtube.com and you want to make sure you're logged into your profile. So once you're logged into your profile, you can see I've come across my channel and at the moment I haven't got a intro video. So to add this is actually very easy to do. What you're going to want to do is come to your profile icon in the top right hand corner and then you want to come down and click onto YouTube Studio. So this is going to take you across to your studio, which is going to look like this. And then from here, what you're going to want to do is come to the menu on the left hand side and you just want to scroll down until you get to the customization option and then just go ahead and give that a click. So what's going to happen, you're going to be taken to a screen that's going to look like this, and what you want to do is make sure you're clicked onto the layout button. So if you look at the top of the page, you've got layout, branding and basic info. So if you click onto layout and you'll see the section at the top, it actually says video spotlight and it will say channel trailer for people who haven't subscribed. So this way you can come to actually add your intro. So you can add two different videos. You can add one for people who aren't subscribed and people who are subscribed to your channel. And all you want to do is click the add button over here. And then what you're going to do is just choose the video that you want to display as your intro video. So you want to make sure it's uploaded to YouTube first of all. Then you just choose one. So I'm going to choose this one as an example. And then what you're going to want to do is click the publish button up in the top right hand corner, which is going to save your changes. And you'll see what's going to happen. We're going to get a pop-up at the bottom that's just come up saying that the changes have been published. So if I now click onto my icon and go back to my channel, you will see that anyone that now visits my channel is going to see the intro video. So you can see that's here and it's set to autoplay. I'll just pause that. So you can see it's here. It does autoplay once they come onto the channel, and that's how you do it. So I hope this video helped you out today. If it did help you out, then please drop a like on this video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next one.